Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where today we will continue our deep dive into cryptocurrencies. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic in part 4 of our cryptocurrency tutorial: how to choose the right cryptocurrency exchange. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the crypto space, this guide is packed with everything you need to make an informed decision. Before we get started, hit the like button, share with fellow crypto enthusiasts, and subscribe for more insightful content. Don't forget to ring that bell for notifications. Why choosing the right exchange is crucial. Choosing the right cryptocurrency exchange is akin to selecting a bank. A good exchange ensures the safety of your funds, provides fair and transparent prices, and offers a user-friendly platform. For example, an exchange like Coinbase is known for its user-friendly interface, which makes it ideal for beginners. At the same time, Binance offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies for more diverse trading options. When selecting a cryptocurrency exchange, consider these key factors. 1. Security. Look for features like SSL encryption, two-factor authentication, and insurance against cyber theft. 1. For instance, Aon insures Gemini Exchange and stores the majority of its assets in cold storage. 2. Fees. Some exchanges charge per transaction, while others use a maker-taker model. 2. Binance, for example, has a tiered fee structure based on trading volume. 3. User interface. A straightforward and intuitive interface is vital. 3. Kraken, for instance, balances advanced features with a user-friendly design. 4. Supported cryptocurrencies. More options offer more trading opportunities. 4. KuCoin, for example, offers a wide range of altcoins. 5. Regulatory compliance. Exchanges like Bitstamp are known for strict compliance with regulatory standards, ensuring legal security for their users. 6. Customer support. Look for 24/7 support availability and multiple channels of communication. 6. eToro, for example, offers a robust support system. Security measures in detail. Effective security measures include multi-layer encryption, cold storage of assets, and regular security audits. For example, Coinbase has an insurance policy to protect its digital assets against theft and cybersecurity breaches. Critical importance. Security is the foremost concern in the world of digital assets. With the rising incidence of cyber thefts, a secure exchange is non-negotiable. 1. Features to look for. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security beyond just a username and password. Cold storage. The best exchanges store the majority of funds offline in cold storage to prevent theft. SSL encryption. This secures the data transferred between the user and the exchange. Insurance policies. Some top exchanges have insurance policies to protect against potential losses due to security breaches. 2. Example, Gemini Exchange is renowned for prioritizing security, storing the bulk of assets in cold storage, and having comprehensive insurance. Understanding and comparing fees. Trading fees vary. For instance, Binance levies a 0.1% trading fee that is negotiable by using its native BNB tokens. Withdrawal fees also vary. Kraken's withdrawal fees depend on the type of cryptocurrency. 1. Understanding fee structures. Fees can significantly affect your return on investment. 1. They vary widely among exchanges and can include trading fees, withdrawal fees, and deposit fees. 2. Types of fees. Trading fees, charged for each trade, often calculated as a percentage of the trade volume. Withdrawal and deposit fees. Some exchanges charge fees for depositing and withdrawing funds. For instance, Binance charges a 0.1% trading fee that is negotiable by using Binance Coin, BNB. Comparatively, Coinbase has a more complex fee structure based on the transaction amount and payment method. User interface and experience. An exchange like Robinhood is known for its minimalist and easy-to-navigate interface, ideal for beginners. In contrast, Bitfinex offers a range of advanced charting tools for experienced traders. 1. Ease of use. A well-designed interface is crucial, especially for newcomers. 1. It should provide easy navigation, clear instructions, and quick access to important features. 2. Advanced features for experienced users. Professional traders look for advanced charting tools, order types, and real-time data. 3. Example, Kraken offers a balance of a user-friendly interface for beginners while also providing advanced trading tools for experienced traders. Diversity in cryptocurrency offerings. A diverse portfolio reduces risk. Exchanges like Huobi offer a wide range of altcoins, allowing users to diversify their investments beyond mainstream cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. 1. Variety of offerings. A wide selection of cryptocurrencies allows users to diversify their portfolios and explore new investment opportunities. 2. Major coins and altcoins. While all exchanges support major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, look for those offering a range of altcoins for broader options. 3. Example, KuCoin is known for supporting a large variety of cryptocurrencies, including many lesser-known altcoins, offering users a broad spectrum for trading. Regulatory compliance and its importance. Regulatory compliance ensures the exchange operates under legal guidelines, which adds a layer of security for your investments. For instance, Coinbase is compliant with U.S. financial regulations, making it a trustworthy option for U.S. residents. 1. Compliance with laws and regulations. Exchanges adhering to regulations are generally more reliable and secure. 1. Regulatory compliance ensures that the exchange meets certain standards set by governing bodies. 2. Implications for users. Compliant exchanges offer a degree of protection against fraud and malpractice. 3. Example, Bitstamp is one of the exchanges known for its strict adherence to regulatory compliance, offering peace of mind to its users. Evaluating customer support. Good customer support is crucial, especially in a fast-paced market. Look for features like live chat, email support, and a comprehensive FAQ section. Bittrex, for example, is known for its responsive support team. 1. Responsiveness and availability. Effective customer support should be accessible, with options like live chat, email, and phone support. 1. Quick response times are crucial, especially in a market that operates 24/7. 2. Knowledge and helpfulness. The support team should be knowledgeable about the exchange's operations and capable of resolving issues efficiently. 3. Example, eToro stands out for its robust customer support, offering a comprehensive help center, ticketing system, and live chat. To wrap up, choosing the right cryptocurrency exchange is about balancing security, fees, user experience, cryptocurrency variety, compliance, and support. Do your research, consider your needs, and you'll be on your way to making smart, informed trading decisions. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, share it with your crypto friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you.